Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alfredo Media, and thank you guys for your continued support. Today I'll be discussing visa-free travel to Mexico. Note that Mexico is a North American country and they share borders with the United States. I'll tell you the beneficiaries of this service and the documentations required to apply, okay? The beneficiaries of this service include the United States of America, Canada, the United Kingdom, all EU member states, and Japan. Also note that if you have a permanent residence of any of these countries, you also have access to visa-free travel to Mexico. Lastly, if you have a valid visa of any of these countries, the US, Canada, United Kingdom, any of the EU member states or Japan, you can as well have access to this service. What are the documents required to apply for this service? You need to have a valid passport for at least 6 months. You need to have your flight ticket indicating your flight number. And lastly, your mode of payment. You need to have a credit card or a debit card. Also know that the Mexican embassy or the Mexican consulate accepts payments using PayPal as well. You need to fill a form called Form FMM. You can easily get easy steps on how to fill this form at ivisa.com. I repeat, ivisa.com. I'm going to put the name of the website on my display now, okay, for my viewers to be able to see that, ivisa.com, okay. Note that the standard processing fee is $20 and the turnaround time is 24 hours. We also have rush processing. If you choose the rush processing, know that it will cost you the sum of $40 and the turnaround time is 4 hours. And lastly, we have the super rush processing. This will cost you $60 and you get your form FMM or the tourist card within 30 minutes. Okay? That's the information I want to give to my viewers this morning. And for third world countries who also like to visit Mexico, you need to apply for a visa at the Mexican embassy nearest to you. Note that you go to their website. On their website, there's an email address there. You need to send an email to this email address in order to book an appointment. After booking an appointment, then you need to fill the application form if you're applying for a tourist visa. I'm going to quickly run through the requirements to apply for the visa. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have a valid international passport which has at least 6 months validity. You need to make a copy of the front page and the last page of the passport. You also need to take a passport photograph with white background, a 6-month bank statement with at least 590 euros salary on a monthly basis. Then you also need a 6-month pay slip, a letter of employment from your employers. Note that you need to be working with this employer for at least 1 year, okay? Then the visa fee will cost you $44, and the embassy will tell you their mode of payment if you have to pay at the embassy with cash or card, or they send you to their designated bank where you can make these payments, okay? If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get updates anytime I upload new content. Thank you for your time and stay blessed. Bye.